Hi guys, it's Kat. I'm so glad you enjoyed my last giveaway of the coffee shop dollhouse kit. Because it was so popular, I decided to do another one. This time, it's for a product I use all the time in my miniature builds. I'm giving away a set of acrylic paints by Arteza. This set is a fantastic addition to any crafter's arsenal. It has every color you would ever need. I love using it so I don't have to mix my own shades. One of my new favorite ways to use these paints is in my airbrush. I mix the paint with some airbrush thinner, shake it up, and it's ready to go. To enter, subscribe to this channel and to Arteza's channel. Then just like and comment on this video and the Arteza paint set video linked below. That's it. In your comment here, you can simply tell me which country you're in. I love seeing where all of you guys are located. Make sure to read the info box below for the full details on the giveaway and the locations that we're able to ship right now. I'll announce the winner in my next video. Good luck, and I'll see you next time. Bye!